Raniva Roy from Aditya Academy Secondary. First of all, I would like to share my gratitude for bringing us here. It was an amazing experience. We enjoyed a lot. We learned a lot.
I enjoyed a lot today along with my teammates. We got a glimpse into styling and modeling. It was a wonderful experience to have. It was nice to meet Aloke sir, and I hope to do this workshop once again.
Hi, this is Mahesh Tekriwala, fashion faculty from Aditya Academy. Today we have come down here for a workshop, a fashion workshop for styling. Our students have learnt a lot from the insight of this industry, and looking forward to attend more of such workshops which will give them the insight of the industry.
Myself, Rupkatha Mondal. I am a psychology teacher from Aditya Academy School, but today I am here with Mahesh sir, and again so much of lovely experience and amazing experience from this institute. And so I am not being in part of this field, but surely I will look forward for this field, and I want to join more workshops like that. So thank you so much.